Hi there, I'm Brad Gilbert, the founder and CEO of Traders4Traders. Now, I've been trading for 35 years and I know exactly what it takes to become a consistently profitable trader. Now, if you're sitting at work wondering what the hell your next step is, okay, you're financially strapped, you want to look after the family, kids' school fees, you want to go on holidays, but you know what? Cash is tight. My Accelerator program, which I've developed over the last 15 years, will open your eyes to a path to financial freedom. And that's exactly what it did for me. I graduated from university when I was 20 years old and joined Citibank on the trading team. And it's been an amazing experience ever since. Now, it's taken me 15 years to develop the Accelerator program, and I go into fine detail with every component. So no matter who you are and what your background is, I can train you to make money trading the markets. Now, let me do a deep dive into the Accelerator program so you know exactly how it works, what's included, and where you can fit in. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, as soon as you sign up, you're going to get access to the Financial Markets Trading Masterclass course material. There's the introductory course, and then there's the Financial Markets Trading Masterclass components. You can get started on those videos straight away. From here, you can access the event calendar and tune in to the live trading and coaching sessions, whether it's the weekly kickoff, a live trading and coaching session, or even just a training session. There's something on every day of the week. As part of the Accelerator program, you do get a one access pass to our trader recruitment program, where you can earn yourself a $250,000 trading account with a $15,000 drawdown limit and the potential to scale beyond $1 million. This will really kickstart your trading career. You'll also get 3 months access to Metastock news and analysis platform. This is the same platform that institutional bankers use. You'll be able to follow the market movements as they happen and really isolate the pairs that are going down and those that are going up. And then easily come back and do your technical analysis and isolate the best trading opportunities and where those key entry points are. Stay up to date with the news, breaking news, and specific news on key instruments. And we're going to set you up with our trade execution tools, T-Rex, Gorilla Trader, Ichimoku Trader, and Trendline Trader. These tools will really enhance your trading performance. Now, T-Rex, for example, will allow you to execute multiple trades at one click of a button, and then manage those trades with another click of the button. This is professional trading at its best. If you're looking for a technical trade, well, look no further than Trendline Trader. This will track the trend lines, get you in at the optimum levels, get you set, and look for that next move. And then there's the Ichimoku Cloud Trader. This tool has been specifically designed to execute trading strategies based off the cloud. No longer will you miss a trade on the yen or the yen crosses. You'll also get access to our trading community on our Discord channel. And this is going to be a huge resource for you, whether it's staying in the loop with today's trading action or joining the discussion with our elite traders. You're going to get access to all channels. The live trading sessions, you can review past events or get the links to the upcoming events. If you've got questions from the Financial Markets Trading Masterclass, we'll post your question and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. If you've got a tech support issue, just jump online and one of our team will get you sorted out promptly. Okay, now you've gone through the Financial Markets Trading Masterclass. You've got your Metastock set up. You've got your trading platform tuned up with our trade execution tools. You've connected with our trading community. Now it's time to accelerate. And what I'm talking about is connecting you to the live trading and coaching sessions. Now, there's 3 types of coaching sessions. First, there's the central bank meetings. Now, these live trading sessions are super advanced, and we're going to go into detail around every aspect of the trading opportunity, from what the central bank is focusing on as far as interest rates and their forward guidance. We'll be doing a deep dive into the technical side of things to focus on the best trading opportunity, and then coming back to focus on the economic numbers themselves. What are we looking for? What do we need for a good trading opportunity? And then we can come back to the crosses and try and isolate the best trading pair. And when we find it, then we can isolate that instrument and then start planning our trade execution and organize our trade plan, our entry, our potential exit levels, key market levels that we need to be focusing on. These are all the components that you need to fine tune before you trade the event. We'll be analyzing the data and focusing on the key numbers that we need to get this trade into play. Now, I know for a lot of traders, the central bank interest rate meetings are way too complicated. But believe me, after a short period of time, you'll be able to read the markets just like the professionals. We'll show you exactly what to focus on, the key components of their statement, what their targets are, and what impact that's going to have on future interest rates. That way, you'll be prepared, ready to trade the opportunity. We wait for the numbers to drop, and then we kick into action. We can quickly analyze the numbers and work out whether we need to close the positions out immediately. If there's a bigger variance, well, we may stay in the position. But having the trade execution tools ready, we can take advantage of the opportunities, lock in profits straight away, and then look for the follow-up trade on a technical perspective. Trading the events, that's one thing. The follow-up trade, that's where the cash is, and that's what you need to be focusing on. We can quickly analyze the market, work out where the move started from, and look at potential retracement levels, what the price action is going to be, and where that follow-up move is going to take us. And then focus on the instruments which are going up or which are going down. Now, the second type of live trading session is trading the key macro fundamental releases. It's a lot easier than a central bank release. We'll analyze the data, the forecasts, what the minimum and maximum range are. We'll analyze the data to the nth degree, so it takes away a lot of the pressure of trading. We'll know exactly what we need to get a trade in play. Looking at the actual versus the forecast, the smart economics, okay? What are they predicting is going to be the release? And that way you can fully prepare to trade the opportunity without any pressure. And the more experience you get, you'll be able to isolate the opportunity and read it very clearly. In this example, we had the US CPI numbers due. Now, the CPI numbers are a massive focus and a huge impact in the market. Now, in this example, after analyzing the data, we worked out very quickly that there was very little chance of a change in the actual inflation numbers, and the move was going to come from the retail sales data and the New York Fed manufacturing data. So all we have to do is focus on the data. We come back to our charts and isolate the best trading instruments. Which ones are going to give us the cash? And once we've got those set up, we come back and set up our trading platform. Set up T-Rex to take advantage of a live trading opportunity. We get our orders set up correctly, and then it's just a matter of waiting for the economic numbers to fall into place. We know what we need, we look for the number, and then our trade execution tools will take care of business. At this point, all we need to do is focus on the numbers. Do we keep the positions on? Do we close them out? They're the questions you'll be asking yourself. When you're fully prepared, you'll know immediately when you flick the switch back to the platform, you'll know you're in the cash. It's just a matter of working out, where did we get in? Was there slippage? What was the impact on the instruments? We can deep dive into the instruments and see exactly where the retracement levels are. So we can prepare for phase 2, the technical trade on the retracement after the release. These are all the components that you'll be thinking about and you'll be learning through our Accelerator program. And what's the outcome? Well, it's going to be cash in the tin. You're going to be making money from the key events, and then you'll be following up with technical trades and making those big winning trades. And the third type of online session are the training sessions. Now, one of the key aspects of learning to trade the market like the institutional bankers is understanding how to use the Metastock news and analysis tool. We'll be doing a number of sessions around technical analysis, the key features of the platform, and making sure you understand how to analyze and read the market correctly. This is going to really expedite your learning process and really have you fine-tuned for those live trading sessions around the key macro fundamental releases. Now, you can jump online and get your questions answered promptly. And not only that, you can deep dive into every aspect. How do you draw the tools? What are we looking for? How do we know which trend line to look at? How do I color code my trend lines to make sure they make sense to me? And how do I go in and add extra data and extra tools and analysis to the overall platform? These are all the components that we'll be running through during these live trading sessions. Very quickly, you'll become an expert on technical analysis. You'll be able to read the global markets, the major currency pairs, equity indices, and you'll be able to read the global markets by looking at the screener page. You'll be able to connect the dots between the equities, the major currency pairs, the commodities, risk on and risk off pairs, the safe havens, the oil trade, the connection with the treasuries. And then there are other components: how to read and focus on the market, find the heat map, where is it busy, and where not to look at the market, those areas where there's actually no activity at all. If you're looking for advanced trading strategies, well, look no further than the oil trade. We can focus on the Gulf of Mexico, look at the storm fronts and see where they're impacting the markets. Look at the correlations between various instruments, whether it's currencies and equities or just currencies themselves. See which instruments have moved furthest, so we know which ones to hit, which ones will bounce harder than the others. And once you fine tune your overall platform, you'll be ready to take advantage of trading opportunities every other day of the week. Now, that's a pretty comprehensive run through of the Accelerator program. Now, the question is, are you ready to become your own boss? Enjoy more holidays, enjoy more time with your family, or you know what, just do the things that you want to do when you want to do them. Well, sign up for our Accelerator program and get started today. What are you waiting for? We're ready to get you on the path to financial freedom today. Good luck and happy trading.